crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and on today's episode of Flop or Shop, I bring you this paper pad, and this is the Crafter's Companion die cut gift bag pad, and this one is called Vintage Summer, and basically it has these pre-cut, pre-scored, all the things, and you make little gift bags out of them. And the cool thing is at the end, these are all die cuts, so you just punch them out and you can use them for the tags, but there's a lot of different colors, a lot of purples and pinks, so a lot of really beautiful designs in here. So I saw this and I thought, this is a great idea, and if these are awesome, it would save a ton of money. You can make 36 bags from here, and there's 36 coordinating gift tags, and this is about $14.99 or so, meaning that you can make a gift bag for about 41 cents each, which is quite cheap. You know, most gift bags are like what, at least $3, $4, $5, if not more than that. So if this works out, it would be a fabulous deal. So I thought we could go through and put one of these together and see if it's easy, hard, worth the value, you know, all that good stuff. So I think I'm gonna do this one. I loved it with the purple and the butterflies. So you just tear it out, and let's see if we can find the matching. Lots to choose from. Trying to see what I like best. I think we'll go with this one. Actually, I think this one matches. Alright, we'll do this one. These just punch out. And there's no like white border or anything, so you're good to go with that. And then there's a little hole, and you can punch that out so you can put a string through. Alright, so let's see how easy or not putting this together is. Alright, let's see. So I have my bone folder, and there's a bunch of score lines. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna burnish all of these and speed it up a little bit so you don't have to sit through all of that. Alright, just getting my tape out. I think, I'm gonna use the 1/2 inch tape on that. Alright, so I'm thinking we take this off, and I'm trying to think of what would be the best way. If we can fold this in, yeah, I think this is the best way. We fold this in, then we can just lay this right down on top of it. Make sure that that lines up. Alright, so we're starting to get our bag here. Let's see. And I think next, so put the tabs in, and then put the one that looks like goalposts in, and then I think slide that in. Woohoo! Alright, so we have our little bag. That's awesome. It's so cute. I like too on the inside, it's patterned paper as well, so it looks really pretty. Alright. This is so cute. This would be perfect for like, you know, like jewelry or a gift card, or, you know, like some note cards or something like that. Kind of a smaller gift. Alright, so we'll put this all together while we're here. Alright, so we have our little tag. I'm just wondering if we want to put, we could probably put a little glue in there just to reinforce, or maybe put a little tape, like double-sided tape, before you put that in there. Anyway, just thinking out loud. So I have this beautiful sari ribbon. It's called the Lavender ribbon, and I got this over at Joggles, and I thought the color would match this perfectly. And then probably what I would do when I was going to give it is maybe use like a glue dot or some double-sided adhesive tape, and you could put that on the handle or right here, just so that it was shut. I'll just put this on the front one. Alright, so we have our beautiful coordinating bag and tag. It was so easy to put together. I mean, this was really easy. So I definitely think that this is worth more than 41 cents. So I would say that this is a great value, and I would definitely say this one is a shop. Woo! Alright, anyway, if you got some value out of today's video, I would love it if you could hit that subscribe button or like the video. I would love to have you in my crafty community. I will put everything that I used today, not that it was very much, in the description box, and I do have affiliate links. And yeah, so come join me over on Facebook, Pinterest, and my new blog, egidesigns.com. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.